Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today you join me down at a local meet. It's a charity meet for a gentleman who used to belong to a local car club down here who died of cancer not all that long ago. It's kind of turned into a yearly thing. I've tried to get here early just to get some of the first cars that have turned up in the car park, but to be fair, it's only just going to get bigger just as time goes on. So some really nice stuff here already, so I thought before the crowds get here, let's just film some of the best stuff that I can see so far.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I love coming to just these sort of local meets because particularly when it's something for charity, you generally get like a different class of car tend to come out. Like look at that little beast for example, what a little track ready weapon. Love it. Filling up really nicely now, so let's go round and just continue just looking at the rest of the cars, seeing if we can find anything interesting. So just spotted this cool little Mini. Look at that! So I don't know much about the spec of it, but that thing looks wicked. Right, that looks different. Sort of like rat-like look with I think that's like acrylic to be able to see through. That's different, that's cool, like that. Just spotted Carl's DC5 looking fresh as Milano red looks so good when it's fresh. This Megane is ridiculous, 487 horsepower through the front wheels. That is just the most perfect plate you could ever have for a car ever.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So I think my favourite car of the evening is this little blue EG, B20 bottom end, B16 head. Super clean, I bet it gets rapid as well. Tonight's meet was actually really good. So it was all for a great cause, so I hope that they really did raise quite a lot tonight.